If you look at the hands of each animal, they are all the same. Each hand has 4 fingers and 1 opposable thumb, or something close to that. Even the skeleton of the whale has a hand with 5 fingers. Clearly, whales do not have hands anymore, and they would not need them since they live in the ocean. But the hands on the old skeletons show that they once had them. This proves the theory of evolution because the whales would have had to evolve from a land animal into a sea animal to go from having hands to having fins. Another proving factor of the theory of evolution is the similarity of all hands. It shows that all the animals could have come from a common ancestor, and that is why all their hands are similar. Showing the pictures of the armadillos, there is clearly a huge size difference. The larger armadillo is from ancient times, and the smaller one is the common size of armadillos today. Something happened to change the armadillo size over time. This proves evolution because the size of the armadillo changed when its big size wasn't working anymore. Without that evolutionary size change, the armadillo could be an extinct species today. Color in animals is also proof of evolution, especially in birds and fish. The ones with the brightest colors are the most likely to attract a mate and produce the most offspring. Though they also attract predators, the amount of offspring they produce overrides that. The theory of natural selection and evolution is proven with these fish and birds. The bright birds that attract the mates and have the most offspring are the species of bird that is going to live on to the next generation. Humans have DNA that is closely related to many other animals. The most obvious would be an ape or a chimpanzee or some sort of monkey, but some other surprising animals like rats and mice both share around 70% of DNA with humans. The only logical explanation for this would be that all species come from one common ancestor. If a human can share 70% of its DNA with a rat, which looks and acts nothing like us, it must be from one common ancestor that we come from that causes us to have similarities to all of these different animals.